North of Indianapolis, Mark, that's where the winter weather advisories are posted, and that's where we have the best chance of seeing what we'll call some minor to medium accumulating snow, and that's why it's a Storm Team 6 alert day. Rain is going to mix in some southern locations, but slick spots will be possible here across central Indiana as the snow continues to make its way in, especially before sunrise. With the time change, sunrise now not until 7:59, so any snow that falls here in northern locations will start to stick, and I'm looking at live drive here, which we'll show you in just a second, and you can still see it start to stick on the roadways from Indianapolis to the south. Not much is going on as of yet. We'll start to see some more snow move in here later on in the middle half of the morning from Indianapolis southward. Hartford City to Alexandria, Marion to Kokomo to Tipton. You're dealing with the snow, a little bit of snow from Lafayette down towards Crawfordsville as well. But you notice the next band of snow now just making its way into the Terre Haute area. And it's this band of snow that extends all the way through central Illinois that will start to now make its way eastward, bringing the snow into most of central Indiana by mid-morning to at least the early afternoon hours. So here's how it times out on TrueCast through about 9-10 o'clock. Again, still mainly in northern locations, and it overspreads most of the area. Kind of moves out by the evening commute with just some snow showers lingering, and it mixed with a little bit of rain down in southern locations. So this is not a big time snow for us, and there's several factors working against any significant accumulation. One, the time of year, the sun being stronger, the timing of this being during the daytime hours and not at night. So here's the model data, and I think this matches up pretty well. Generally an inch or less south of Indianapolis, 1 to 3 inches to the north. So this is the map that I drew up for you, and I think these 3-inch totals will probably be as far north as Lafayette, Kokomo, and Peru. I think in the metro area, right along Interstate State 70, we're probably looking at an inch to maybe a little bit more, and then an inch or less south of Indianapolis. But here's the key. Most of this is on grassy surfaces. I will expect the roads to get a little slushy, especially before sunrise in northern locations, but overall, the bulk of the accumulating snow will be on top of your car, it'll be on the grass, some sidewalks, and untreated roadways. I think the snow will be very light, so road crews should have a good opportunity here throughout the day to keep up with it. We're never going to get into that heavy snow that hampers those efforts. 31 right now in Bloomington, 30 in Indianapolis as we go throughout the day. Again, we do get above freezing here this afternoon. That's going to help to keep the snowfall totals down as well. And in the southern locations, we mix in those rain showers. For the day tomorrow, we still have more in the way of snow showers to get through. It's a cold day at 33. The snow tomorrow, I'm not really too concerned about accumulation. That should be minimal. What I'm more concerned about tomorrow will be visibility on the roadways. Today, visibility is not much of an issue because the snow is not very heavy, but a few of these snow showers tomorrow could be very, very vigorous. And then as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, these are your morning lows. 18 degrees on Wednesday, 17 degrees on Thursday. Freeze warnings will likely be issued as we get into the middle half of the week, and then eventually by St. Patrick's Day up to 47 degrees, and then we're in the 50s for Saturday and Sunday. But again, especially before sunrise here in northern locations, give yourself a little bit of extra time on the roadways. And with more on the roads, here's Lauren Casey.